What you know?
You could have just given Rosa a ride. What she did?
Give me something what you know, Rosa. A gospel song we are talking about. See. See. You know it ranking?
Don't tell my enemy.
Welcome back to our video, guys. Welcome to a new video. Holy follow this week, manners. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you here. Rose over here, so. That pretty smile. Father them round there, so.
Big up, man.
Ranking over there, so. Yeah, and guys, we're heading to Chapman. Chapman up there, so name ranking? Yeah. And we want to revisit two elderly folks who said that they're in need of mattresses. Yeah. So that's what we're on, you know, the journey we're on right now, guys. So we are saying, holy love, respect, and manners, and dig up to Miss Andrea. Yeah, man. And we have sent some funds. So we'll be giving mattresses to those who are in need. Right? Yeah, man. So if you have one already, and it's good, work with it. If you don't have none, you know.
But they lost it during the hurricane?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. There's a lot of damage. Just through the roof. Most of the roof them came off. Yeah. And then now, you see, the thing with Jamaican houses, I don't know what happened. I don't know how much something over the can be over the roofs around kid. Man?
Like that? Oh.
No, I mean like debris and something. Rock bat and stuff. So you see when the rain fall now and it blow off, all of them stuff they just blow down on your bed, you know. Same like when you go over Mr. Hansen. Over in the bush there. When you go over there, so you know, look, you know, you hold a mattress, everything away from the roof, you know. Up on the mattress, you know. Yeah. So that happened.
Is all this still standing?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Oh,
Eh?
He bring a one done.
The solid takes such over time.
Yes,
You pull off
yes.
here, you look down like that, you can't place and hold them, they don't get over.
It's true. It's true.
Can't wait.
Right back now, not trouble people down here so I get ranking.
What?
Yeah? Where Pepperado? Where Pepperado? Yeah? As a pretty son, you know? Yeah. Yeah? Feel?
Anything you go up and you have
Feel?
that shit that thing.
Feel no ranking?
I mean, man.
I hope I spoil up for you.
What you mean? And if me have to naked for you can't wait, you could have washed them with that.
You mean now, recently now? This?
No, man, no,
Oh. Okay.
Where?
Yeah.
Them the clothes they can't put on back.
Yeah.
Because you want to wash them.
What, the rat bad stay in them?
He center them. Froze it. Because they don't care type of sick from there.
Yeah. That means the amount of things over the roof, you can't believe.
It's about 7 bags of rat back now. Look at man different from where we rush down there house.
Yeah. What?
Then the kind of house they set away.
Yeah.
They do and no food out to my black packet them in.
Yeah.
They do in the black packet them till they run over in. Picking it? I think I like it chili, yeah. When them born there, no man who here, you know.
What go on the mums?
Come to married.
Big up.
Come to married today, you know.
You ranking saying come for married.
Today.
A man come to marry you today.
All the pastor there.
You like Martin?
Sis.
Yeah man, see lady pastor here.
Yeah, man. Come to marry.
Hey there. Big up yourself, enough love. Yeah, so last time we...
Hello.
Yes, this is Miss Rosa.
Yes.
Yeah. The last time we spoke, you say you're in need of a mattress. So we would like to take a look at it. to make sure. Yeah.
Come look on that. Appear spring in eye. Man, see the pan. That bed where you saw with the blue face. Oh, God, and show me. Put them come out of the skin soft.
Yeah.
And appearing spring in eye.
It's soft.
Aye. Can't turn pan your night time. Well, that's spring.
Soft, for sure. Yeah. How kind of bed? How kind of bed? No. The base.
The base,
That's a queen size?
no man, double bed.
Double bed.
Double bed, double
Okay. We want to make sure before we go on by.
Double bed.
So what's wrong with the other one?
bed. Which one, the one outside?
The other one on the other side over here.
This one.
Oh, yes, so that the one there. I sponge one, but when you lay down on that to that.
It's soft too.
So you have,
cannot do that.
so you have 2 beds?
Yeah, 2 beds, that's definitely. Buddy come visit me.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I have that.
Okay.
That one is soft too. Yeah,
But we can't go on that one.
Oh, you can't go on.
Right. Okay.
Oh.
So it didn't get damaged from the hurricane, it's just
Yes,
that
man.
A new ceiling this.
That's not the mattress.
The mattress? Yeah, man, this one will wet up.
This
It
one.
wet up. And when you wet up, it gets worse.
Oh.
You can't sit down up in a heat, man. Can't turn in a heat. And last night, I had
Yeah.
yes, man, they spring them up more about like that.
Oh, not joke you. Oh, so you get thin. Yeah.
Water soak, yeah, but 2 minutes never had it.
Yeah.
Just you live here by yourself?
Yeah, me and one of my two grandson live here.
Yeah.
So he
Me
helps
have
you.
2 sons, but then they don't live here with me. But then it's so nice.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna see what we can do, you know. But we want to make sure that we see the bed and make sure we don't buy the wrong mattress
Okay.
to put on it. I think they say like how you lost your leg. The nurse was saying that you need a different kind of mattress.
Oh, me no know.
Because she's not going to be able to balance out. So I don't know what
Me
kind
need
they have a
something
foam.
stiff.
You need something
Stiff.
careful. Man.
Yes, yes.
Stiff.
Careful.
Stiff.
Careful, you say for video moves. Yeah, man. So we're gonna work on it for you.
Yes,
Here, what the gentleman name up this again?
Mass Hardley.
Mass Hardley.
You up there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You must have hope you could come back to him fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need little help, man.
Yeah. So you're alright otherwise, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright then, mums. So I'm gonna give him a check and see.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. You're on enough
Alright,
love.
darling.
Alright, mums.
Alright,
All right.
Look up.
Boy, and a boy, when you lie down up on the mattress there and the string come out and a joke, you know. Yeah. Yeah, it joke hot too, you know.
Come over here. Yeah, no, it's not.
You want Cheryl?
Memory foam.
You come through sponge, you know.
Yeah.
And you sponge wet,
She
you
might
know.
have the
So you come up through, you know.
our body, you know?
Yeah. Your sister did alright. Squeeze this something for me. Yeah. Just take your time, yeah. No man, me just ask you if your bed did alright. Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, sir. That's a good thing, man. Grateful people, them. Yeah.
Don't wanna go there.
Yeah, she's diabetic. She's a nice lady. She gave us a joke with the storm, with the hurricane rather.
People don't laugh too, you know, bro?
Eh?
People don't laugh. You know?
Yeah, and she's funny. She's funny. Yeah, she's funny. Like everybody get by them crop together, you see? Everybody get by them crop at our cucumber, corn. Yeah. Yes, sir. Respect, man. Respect. Yeah, that's all. Alright, that's how we go. Right at the house.
I'm tired, man.
I say, go, Maza.
Say hi.
Wind up your window ranking. Thanks. Where my name again? What's the man name again? Yeah. Mr. Hardley. Mr. Hardley. You sure someone I need help? Yeah.
Just from looking.
Mr. Hardley. No, you're not there.
Me lock up. He's not home, his door is locked. But him need it. He need have a look.
Yeah. But we need to see the bed. I need to see the bed so we can buy the right mattress. You can say that you use bed.
The man?
Yeah. You can say if it rain or fall and stuff.
This?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yes. And he say neighbors, when you don't have any neighbors, we give him a little bit. Yeah.
You can't use this.
Huh?
That's where we're coming from.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you may I look for.
God bless you.
So, Mr. Hardley.
Yeah.
All right.
Sure, right.
Come in, sir.
Make a more. Oh my God.
Take your time.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, good. I think I'm going. Yeah. Alright.
Came gonna foreign, you know, sir. Gonna foreign. How are you, Mr. Hardley?
Well, I give God thanks for
Yes,
still alive.
yes, yes, yes.
But it could have better.
Yes,
But you
yes.
still alive.
Yes, sir.
Because let me see, as me tell you from when you say to the 8 years
Yes.
I go over the clinic and tomorrow Wednesday I would have my birthday.
Tomorrow your birthday?
No, tomorrow Wednesday I 8 years since my birthday, so I go
Yeah.
over. Yes, man.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
You remember if you find me so easy?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No, it's fine. We're not gonna be long. Tell that house sometime, not you? Yeah.
When we go down the southern girl,
You know what the shots the bad, you know? You know what the shots the bad, man?
But me call all your name, you know.
Yes, sir.
Me call your name, man, because me never know say you are a white man. White man have a key card, you know.
That
Say.
one you white man.
No, you know, remember early in you have the David in here, man, round at the back road round here, so man. Mama clear, man.
I'm not sure. Maybe me know him, but me not
Yes,
sure.
man, he said you and him have son. I believe him even turn on Dana and Pam.
Oh, so him did I watch for a long
White
time.
man,
Oh,
yes.
okay. All right. We want to see the bed and stuff so we
Yes,
can
man, you're welcome.
yeah.
Boy, I come from a place.
Boy, welcome to the charity work. Sometimes I don't know what we have to pick off us. You rank it? Yeah.
So, Mr. Dudley, What do
Hardly.
you do with this, Mr. Hardley?
Yes.
What do you do with this water here?
You know, sometimes when we do any little thing we're dirty, we just take a wash off.
But
my
you
hand.
can't wash your hands with this water.
But I tell you something, you know, really say a dirty water, but true, sometimes we need to fab in a heat, now we just take your
Because some
Oh.
of it is even green.
That mean I hardly use that one more than
Yeah, you have to throw it out because mosquito.
mosquito, right?
Yeah.
So,
Get some, we're gonna go falls to get some fresh one.
sure, right. Up to last night, we kissed
I want you, me know.
No, you're tired.
Don't get
No,
one
you're
of
tired.
those.
One tank. No, you'd have to get some black and put it on the high side here.
Yeah, man, you know, so you see all the people them around here, so they then put the hand on the black, you know.
Water for drink and
And the
something.
yard one build up on everything.
Yeah.
So, yes, man. When you carry all the bleach also in the way, when you hand the bleach.
You want bleach?
Yes, man.
Oh.
What you gonna do with the bleach?
I tell you something, me hold on some clothes where they
It start mash up.
especially some white one, me can't draw out all the thing and show you them, man. But you want some bleach, auntie?
Oh.
Yes.
Wash them out.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man. You can.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that
Yes, man. Come
you get the mattress.
You have a mattress.
Yeah. I want pillow rosa.
You need a whole bed and sheet and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, you need everything. You have a drawer, please.
Yeah. It's a double, right?
4 days, as me tell you before,
It's a double.
4 days me have this throat out.
Be dry.
If you dry
Yes,
it.
yes. And it's
Man.
here now, the zinc still. it's
Yeah,
still-
me see it.
No, this one.
And that you see.
We'll forget some Solitex for you.
You see it, we'll get stop
And
eating.
that you see me get there. So now I'm put it here, so right here. So when time the rain starts,
Mm-hmm.
it a pour.
Oh, cause some big hole there now.
Yes, man.
Some big
But
hole.
my brethren tell me, say, well, help me get help. Him will come put it on for me.
Oh, your friend.
Yes, man.
Okay. So if me get the Solitex, your friend will put you up.
Well, him will do it. Me feel say will do it for me.
Oh.
Because that's what me and him live.
Oh, okay.
That's what me and him live.
That one maybe 1, 2, 3,
6 at least.
4, 5, around 6 sheets, right?
5, 6, yeah.
Yeah.
Around 6 sheets, right, Lem?
You can't put one in a two.
Think it about.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure.
6.
But Parliament, I don't have a job for you. Me correct
So rub in
rate,
your
rub on
something.
the floor.
Yeah, typhoid. Yeah, for it
But,
gone.
I'm
So what
making-
about this door? You didn't see this door or something? Water come under your side now? Everything will come under your side now?
Everything can settle underneath the bed. If you know what is good, look underneath there. Look
Yeah.
right there, so you will see when me put down
Yeah, me
it's a
see it.
black.
Me see it.
And
Me see it.
Brace it back there.
So how long you live here by yourself?
Let me see. Hold. We have everything right.
Right. Why a long time you there cause you had this?
Yes, man. And
Then you have something to sell TV to you.
you know, say when it come here, it not work, you know, because no current never there here.
Oh.
You have current now?
So you have current now?
No.
You know no
So where
current?
did you live before you moved here?
Down the bottom, just a little bit, tell you the whole truth. If I see him now, I don't know, say I'm my son.
Oh.
For the amount of years I haven't seen that face. Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Definitely you
you
need
don't
you
have to
need
look at
yeah,
time.
you need a clean up though.
Yes, man.
To be
Yes,
honest.
man. Without a doubt.
You need a clean up, I
Without a
mean
doubt, man.
me mean
And me do. Let me see about.
are you not even want fat in your heart man?
About.
You know pressure?
Yes, man. Me have. See me show you the thing.
You just show me the pill them and
See the pill
stuff.
them here, so. See the pill them here, so this is the urine.
Mm-hmm.
This is the pain. This is the pressure pill.
Pressure pill.
Yeah, man. Me have a lot more pressure pill over inside here. So when me tell you, say,
You need some milk
today,
also.
today we,
You
me,
need a new bed.
Yeah.
You have any grandchildren?
yes, but them can't help me eat.
They can come and help you to clean up.
Yes, them you
Yeah,
can't
they
do
can
that.
come and clean up the place nice for you after we give you
Yes,
a nice
yes.
mattress and some nice
And give you some
And they come and
clean
clean up the
shine
floor for you, yes.
shine
Are
and
they
stuff.
living
But,
around here?
No.
Where they live?
Them are back to school business with them, you know, right now, you know.
Yeah.
Well, they have to look after their grandfather too.
Yes. Yes.
yeah. Show you
But
some
back to
love.
school or
And
not?
they look,
They can come on a
and
Saturday.
they look, sorry for touching
Yes. Yeah, that's fine,
They
man.
look, they bleach and they can red to the
Yeah,
country.
well, that's fine. We can get that for you. But are they gonna come and help you?
Yeah, we will get help.
Okay.
The surrounding people here, my friend them man, the hardest
give
for
you
me,
a-
I have to just get the things.
Get the stuff, them.
Okay, that's easy to get. You
Yes.
have to go through someone with a buckle back
Yeah.
and them something to do.
Well,
I think one
from
tank.
where it's clean
I
up
think
and-
one tank could undo him well.
You
Set up
remember
around
when
there
them-
some.
you
I say you
remember
can
when-
have water out a door. But you
Yes.
know if you have all of them something inside the house. And then you surely need
they do work.
Yeah.
something there, so.
And remember,
And you need the
see
solid
this
so,
liquor off, you know, a zinc, them nail up and
So you don't have any number for your son?
yes.
Okay, so we can call him and ask him what is he going to do to help you, along with the help that we will give you.
Well,
Yeah.
so
Yeah, man. He has to see what he can do too, and along with the help that you'll get from.
You want to look
from
up
the
paint out
charity.
and something too, you know. Look at touch out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, change up the color and you know. What is that, zinc?
yes, man, I think if this liquor off in the star, man. This liquor off in the star.
You look, so the roof still.
Ah,
still
yeah, not true.
No, the whole of the roof come off, you know. The whole of the zinc come off, you know.
So where you cook and stuff?
I'm over there, so my child they cook for me. She
You get
run
some
a meat
food.
shop, you know. Yeah, man, I
Oh
keep.
yeah, she give.
And you see the next guy way down there, so
Yes.
him cook in the week.
And the gear little.
And the other girl now over, no man. Me wear any little grubs me find and thing
Yes.
and him together.
Prepare it for
we all
you.
go together.
Together.
That's nice. That's nice.
That's it.
Yeah.
Said brother where you see.
So what
Yeah.
size bed is this?
This is a double.
Double size.
Alright.
And
Hopefully tonight you'll get a
you
comfortable
see
sleep. Yeah,
gone,
hopefully.
you see gone down there now when him tell
With the
you
fish,
say I
with
told
the
you
fish,
fish.
yeah.
You see me a feeling.
So in gear one make you eat later.
Yes, man.
Okay,
without a
that's
doubt.
nice.
Yes.
That's nice.
Then I want the phone to go help me then see with the heart.
The heart.
Remember me when I show you the papers.
Yeah.
What's wrong with
Send it to your
Me I tell you
doctor.
say last week, today 8 years. Me go over there, me have to go up to Mandeville, Hardgreaves.
Oh, Hargreaves down there.
Me
So
have to
yeah.
go to Hardgreaves, go to the heart.
But Hardgreaves is a private hospital.
It's a
Yes.
private.
And me have to go up at the
So how much they say? Because me they asked you the last
up
time
at
how
the
much it gonna
private, but
cost.
the doctor never tell me.
Ah.
He
What
never
are you
tell.
gonna have done?
Eh?
What you gonna have done?
He say me heart a beat, when him they beat fast.
Oh.
Right. So what they want to do?
They're going to have a check on it and find out what cause the
Oh, it's just a. It's,
right the
Okay.
fast beat in a hit and when you know they say them go check for me urine.
Yes, yes.
Right, and them go take my blood test.
Yes.
Right. I
Yes.
3 papers then.
Oh, they ain't
And
give.
we have one, you know, if we go up a place there too.
What's
Up a
that?
junction, them say them never have that over the clinic.
Oh,
Because
okay.
they hearing something. He might tell me don't know what, but you don't know them a doctor, so them know better than me.
Yeah,
But he plug it in and put it down in my ears because I tell him say me clean my ears very
you're
often.
not hearing. So sometimes that's age
But
related.
you tell
you
him
know?
say anytime that my car my nose like this,
yeah.
me hear, but couple minutes find that me not hear anything
Yeah,
more
again.
You
Yeah.
understand? So he might tell me say me have to go one of the pharmacy. Oh, that's no way. Call it the private pharmacy.
To get
not
some
to
job,
the-
yeah.
And go get something.
Drugs,
Something
yes.
to go in there. Are we gonna see how best we can help you, uncle? But as Rosa said, if you can reach out to your son and ask him, you know, what can he do, you know, to
When
help.
last you spoke to him?
Let me see, about 2 weeks now.
But so he knows that the hurricane.
Yes.
So he's not gonna help you.
But he's not here now.
But he can send the money,
Yes.
right?
I don't know what help he can give me, but
Yeah.
Whatever he can, yeah.
Right.
So nobody lives over here?
The one next brother.
Oh.
Somebody live right
Yes, but him. No man, that's our old kitchen.
But what about here, sir?
Yes, somebody live inside here, but he's not here now.
Oh.
Okay.
Not
So it's
here.
not your place, all
No,
of it. So you're renting or what?
Rent.
I rent up here?
Yes, man.
So the landlord has to fix this.
Rent me pay, man.
So where's the landlord? Where's the landlord?
Their work now too.
But he's the one who has to fix it.
I'm sure, right?
So much you pay for rent?
Well, at 2,000 a bit.
Oh, okay. Better than nothing.
But you tell him that you're damaged.
Better than nothing, Rosa.
No, man, then
2,000 on the money.
Several
So I'm not gonna
times.
fix it. 2,000 on nothing, you know?
That's right.
Yeah, I help you.
Sure, right.
Yeah, I help you. Me understand. Me understand. As a blessed person, because two to learn. I can't even buy sweetie.
Not even cheese.
Not even, not even cheese chick.
So your son doesn't have a home here?
In Jamaica? Yes, man.
Where?
I don't know if you know Little School.
Okay,
Which
so
is
why
from
couldn't
there.
you stay there?
Little School.
At your son's home? Because he's not living here.
Son, his wife, Annie, to the son, to God through. Me never want to stay with you know when woman and man and them.
Yeah.
Me not like them they kind of.
Yeah. You want to be by
I
yourself.
prefer by myself.
Yeah.
By myself.
Yeah, understand.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
All right, honey.
Yes.
Alright, me uncle. Big up yourself. Zine, sir.
Guidance.
And look out for me. I can't promise you this evening, but look out for me. Alright? Yeah, man. Just don't stay too far away from home. Alright. Right down there.
Anyhow you come here, so I don't see this man. Come down a dana.
Alright.
I can't put a new mattress in there. That's to be cleaned out first.
Alright. No, but at least we can sleep on it.
Oh, well,
Yeah, give him man with a bed. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. Big up on yourself. So, we're checking on, situation to make sure that, those persons who we actually buying the mattresses, they're well in need. Yeah. So we definitely gonna get.
Yeah.
Pick up on yourself.
Yeah.
All right.
Mr. Dudley.
Mr. Hardley. All right, Mr. Hardley, big up.
He's a very handsome little old man.
Excuse me.